What food is available for a vegetarian on board ship? Well guys, what options do you have on board ship? If you are a vegetarian, can you survive on board ship? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, today in this video we are going to talk about a most awaited video, I could say, because I've been receiving so many of Instagram messages about it, and here finally is the video. So well guys, first of all I would like to talk about is before I speak about a vegetarian food, let's talk about what food we have on board ship, means what foods options are available on board ship. Okay, I can say guys, on board ship there are plenty of dishes are available on board ship. Yes, some of them are vegetarian, some of them are non-vegetarians, which I would say most of the things are non-vegetarians. Well guys, if you are a non-vegetarian person, then you are not going to face any problem to survive on board ship. But if you are a vegetarian person, there could be a problem. But before you decide anything, make sure you watch this video complete. The very first thing is guys, let me give you some standard food which are available in the mess, or if you would go into a restaurant to eat a food with the guest, if you are eligible to eat. So let me give you what are the standard foods which are always available. Doesn't matter what time you go all there, you will have that food. Okay, the very first thing is you will have a 2-3 types of milks, means Tetra Packs and the skim milks, means different types of milk are available, all right, all the times. And then guys, you have a cornflakes, and I can say more than 10 varieties of cornflakes are available at all the time out there. All right guys, you have a fruits, at least 5 varieties of fruits you have available on board ship in the crew mess at all the time. Doesn't matter what time you go to eat food. All right guys, then after that you have a breads. I can say at least of 10 varieties of different sliced breads you would get. I mean brown bread, white breads, then you have some pancakes, muffins and donuts, means different cakes and different guys, pastries, cakes, those things are available, including breads, at least 10 varieties. These are some standard fruit. And then after that you would get so many of, I can say at least 10 varieties of teas you have, and I think 2 to 3 varieties of coffees you can make for yourself. All right, so this is the standard food which is available on board ship in the crew mess at all the time. Doesn't matter what time you go to eat your food. Okay, and guys, apart of it you will get Indian food. And well guys, every day there are at least of 2 Indian vegetarian recipes, which includes a dal and includes a bhaji, and definitely you have to eat it along with the rice. Okay, and you can take some breads. Okay, so there are no chapatis, you basically eat it with the bread. There are different breads are available. You can eat dal or chapati with the breads guys, and rice is always available. So this is something which is available for the Indian people. And if you do not mind eating other country food, like we Indians, we always have been eating a Chinese food, means you have an option available in the Chinese also, means you get a noodles, you get a soup in the veg, and then you get a pastas as well guys. You have your own option to make your pasta, and you have a bunches, you have a plenty of the salads out there, different salad. So guys, I would say there is not going to be any problem for a vegetarian, and if you are a non-vegetarian, then you are going to love. But this video is dedicated to a vegetarian people who are worried about will they are going to survive on board ship. Well guys, on board ship, as it is a place of fun, there are also a guest who come on board ship and they can be vegetarian, so cruise line has to think about that also. So that's why there is a plenty of options available on the cruise ship to eat a vegetarian food. So you please do not mind anything, and if you really wish to work on board ship, if you have a skills, you can literally make out all those things. So guys, I highly recommend you to please apply and let your food taste does not obstacle your dreams. All right, so guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, to the all notifications on, so whenever I will make a new informative video, you will get notified automatically. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.